Hello everyone, exciting news calls our attention. LG is the most designed TV brand in India in 2021. How can multinational maintain sales during COVID-19? So we decided to take a closer look at the multinational enterprise, LG. About its background, established in 1997, LG Electronics India is a wholly owned subsidiary of LG Electronics South Korea. It is one of the leading companies in consumer electronics, home appliance and computer peripheral in India. It is one of the most formidable brands in consumer electronics, home appliance, HVAC, IT hardware, and mobile communication space. In India, LG is earned a primary brand positioning and is the acknowledged trendsetter for industry. As India is an emerging market, it also has institutional voice and bigness. Next, my teammate will introduce LG's institutional voice and growth strategy by comparing LG with local enterprise, Godrej.
Now I'm going to talk about the product part of LG. LG ensures that its products have always maintained a high brand image and market awareness. LG's pricing strategy is also quite researched, which has a wide range from low to high to cater to different levels of market demand. Now, here are some statistics. As can be seen from this data, LG occupies a considerable share of the home appliance market in India. Next one is about how LG responding to institutional voice on product. First one is free delivery. Whenever customers shop from the LG India website, they can use the available PIN code to deliver goods directly to the chosen location for free and safely. Next one is the safe payment. LG supports a variety of payment methods for goods, like credit cards, online banking, and so on. After placing the order, the customer will generate an installation request after delivery, and the engineer of LG will guide the customer to complete the installation work, which is totally free. Then is the quality certification. After ISO certification and inspection, the product quality is fully guaranteed. Currently, LG accepts returns of products if they are certified as dead on arrival by authorized service representative. The final one is trustworthy licensed agencies. LG has many cooperative enterprises, and the customer care center can answer consumers' thoughts. What's more, in Mumbai, New Delhi, and other places in India, there are dealers set by LG for sales, installation, and after-sales services.
As the competitor to LG in the Indian market, we choose Godrej, a local Indian company founded in 1897 whose major appliances accounted for 8.1% of the Indian market in 2020. The product range is not as extensive as that for LG. Godrej guarantees delivery within 15 days of the order being placed, with no exact time, so that it may be less efficient than LG, which uses a third-party logistic and warehousing system. Also, Godrej does not accept returns or exchange for any reason other than quality after the customer has confirmed the receipt of the good. Godrej accepts credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, and Amex card, and any debit cards, as well as some online banking direct payments, so payment means are widely available and secure can be guaranteed. Godrej has 718 one-stop shops in India and over 4,500 smart body service experts. The call center is online 24/7, and 175 fully equipped mobile trucks are on standby. Most of the products have annual guarantee plans, such as specialists who provide quick response to customers' complaints and free annual maintenance. Godrej has been recognized for its efforts to improve quality by taking part in the 34th National Quality Concept Conference in 2020 and receiving the Par Excellence Award. We checked Godrej's dealer information and found 43 dealers in Mumbai and 14 in New Delhi. LG does not have as many dealers. After all, Godrej is a local company with more than 100 years history, but neither Godrej or LG gives standards for qualified dealers.
Until 2016, LG India has 2,350 employees, with approximately 850 permanent workers and 1,500 contract workers. India trade unions have strong political connection, and they're not able to enhance workers' interests. Facing the problem like that, LG established the own concept of labor management relations, creating common value based on mutual trust and respect. To be consistent with their global labor policy, LG built various channels for labor and management to engage in joint discussions on major labor issues. Efficient communication access is the foundation of employees' interest enhancement. Although the education level in emerging countries has been improved a lot, relatively lower education level in India has also brought hiring difficulties to LG. So the company sent managers from Korea to make sure their company is on the right track. They also build their own training and education system and combining their Korean-style training method, create smart goals and put effort in the employees' motivation.
India has always had strict labor laws and depleted infrastructure to stifle manufacturing growth. For example, poor housing conditions and inconvenient transportation. This created a long-term legal confrontation between Goji and the workers. So Goji is difficult to produce world-class products. At the same time, due to the pandemic, the labor force has been reduced by 25%. The labor leak has created a shortage of fast-moving customer goods. Therefore, Goji faces product shortage due to labor. In the face of institutional labor weakness, Goji intends to formulate an incentive plan to improve the work level and the quality of labor. In addition, in response to the pandemic, Goji offers the worker with extended medical insurance. However, Goji has not formed the correct labor recruitment and development plan, so the improvement effect is not significant.
Hello, I want to talk about LG capital market. First, capital layout. LG Electronics, headquartered in South Korea, has 50 subsidiaries worldwide, focusing on four major business: electronics, telecommunications, service, finance, and chemicals. Where in India, LG's main business layout is electronics product. LG's entry into India, however, has not been smooth. LG Electronics first entered the Indian market in 1993 in partnership with Best Vision, a Delhi-based company. Under the name Lucky Gold Star, it soon had to pull out because the joint venture with Best Vision didn't have any success. Local partners lacked the financial resource to set up manufacturing units. LG re-entered India in 1997 when the country's Foreign Investment Promotion Board allowed it to set up its own manufacturing unit. LG Electronics has set up a high-tech manufacturing facility and multi-product line facility in Great Noida, near New Delhi, and set up 100% subsidiary. Second, regional distribution strategy. LG's aggressive regional distribution strategy is a key component of its entry into the Indian market and has played an important role in its success in the Indian market. This not only helped LG establish a strong foothold in India, but also allowed it to build strong brand equity. The company initially opted for a national distribution model, then changed its distribution strategy to a regional distribution model. The use of RDM enables all dealers to work directly with the company. This has resulted in faster turnover of stocks and better penetration into B, C, and D market. LG Electronics has adopted a stock regional strategy rather than selling shares to channel partners.
Godrej is one of the most trusted enterprise groups in India. Compared with LG in India, Godrej has many types of enterprise in local: property, consumer goods, advanced engineering, electronic, furniture, safety, and agriculture. In Godrej's multiple layout, Godrej's consumer goods revenue accounts for about 27% of the total revenue. But Godrej's biggest profit comes from the property. It has 37% profit. Based on this fact, Godrej established the GFM, which is Godrej Fund Management, only for the property investment. The steady growth of the Godrej also proved they have a successful investment in many fields. See the chart below. In the past 8 years, Godrej's profit growth has been very stable. Godrej's biggest annual profit growth was 42%. At this year, Godrej has generated $1.5 billion profit.
Here is our reference. Finally, thanks for watching.